What's up guys, Toy Scout here. I'm going to open a giant Anna surprise egg today. This is made of 100% Play-Doh and it took me over 5 hours to make. So give me a thumbs up if you like it. All these toys here I got from my other videos, so if you want to see those, you can click here. As you can see here, the Play-Doh is getting very dry. So let's remove it so we can get to all the cool surprises. First, her hair. She has so much hair. The hair is what took us so long. Check this out. She has more hair here. Now we have an Anna without hair. Let's remove her coat, neck, her ears, nose, mouth, and now her eyes. We're left with just the face. Can you guys hear that? It's full, so let's see what we got. Look at all the stuff we got, guys. There's a Frozen Pop, Minecraft, Shopkins. Let's start with this one. This is a Frozen Mystery Mini by Funko. These are all the one you can get. Some are more rare than others. So let's hope we get one of the rarest one. This is really cool. We got a young Anna. See her hair here? She looked really happy. And the chance of getting her is 1 out of 12. So she's a common. Let's put her up here. I see a blind bag here. I found a Sheriff Cali Wild West blind bag. There's 5 figures to collect. We got Sheriff Cali. She's wearing her badge and she has on a pink hat. Let's put her right here next to Elsa. Let's check out this next. Here is a Minecraft minifigure. This is series 1 and you can get 12 from this box. We got Steve and he's holding a pickaxe here. Look like he's about to go to work and start building everything. You guys like Minecraft? Let's put Steve behind Kristoff. Let's check out this thing next. Here is Frozen photo cards and there's 6 inside. Here is the checklist and there's 108 photo cards. We got 6 in this pack. Let's check them out. Here is an Olaf and his friend. This is number 39. Next we got Elsa and Anna. Number 67. Here we have couple soldier about to shoot something from the sky. Number 53. And this one is shiny. Look at that. We got Hans, Marshmallow, and I don't know the name of this guy, so if you know his name, let me know. This one's pretty cool. It It's number 103. Look how awesome this one is. It's Elsa and Olaf. Can you guys see it? It's kind of like fireworks. And this is number 74. And this is Anna and Elsa family, their parents, and the troll. This is from the beginning of the movie. It's number 9. We also got this one with Elsa and Hans. And it's number 62. It say here there's 6 of them, but somehow we end up with 7, so that's kind of cool. Let's put it right here behind Elsa. Let's spin it to see if we can find something. Here is My Little Pony blind bag, and this is wave number 12. Here's the 24 figures you can get, and we got Lily Blossom. She's always graceful. You can see she has yellow hair. She's light purple, and you can see her cutie mark here. Let's put her next to the sheriff. I also see something from the front here. Here is another frozen dog tag. I think we opened at least 6 of these already. Like always, there's 24 dog tags you can get. This is the checklist. Here's the stickers you can get. We got an Anna sticker. This is like the 3rd time I got this sticker, but it go well with this egg because this is an Anna egg. This is pretty cool. It's foil. Can you guys see? It's kind of shiny, and it has Olaf and Sven. It's number 5 of 24. Let's put it behind Olaf. Let's check out this Funko Pop. Here is an Anna Funko Pop. She's number 81. Here's a close-up of Anna. You can see her hair is really long. She has a big head. Let's compare it to a regular figure. You guys like this Anna more, or you like this Anna more? Let's put the pop figure up here, and I'll also put the other Anna figure up here. Let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here's a frozen bracelet with 2 charms. We have an Elsa and an Anna. Here you can see the 2 charms, and it's made so that you can actually remove it and change them. This one will probably kind of fit me, but it's really, really tight, so probably fit someone younger. Let's put it right on Anna. Let's check out this one next. Here's a toy from McDonald's. It's 101 Dalmatian mobile figure. This is a pretty cool car. On one side you got a snake here, and when you push it, he goes down, and there's a Dalmatian on this side. You push it, the snake come up. Let's see the dog go. And And now the snake. Let's put it right here next to Ola. We have 3 left to go. This is a Hello Kitty minifigure, series number 1, and there's 12 you can collect. We got a Hello Kitty that is in a band. She's playing a flute. I think I got this exact same figure before in my other videos. Let's put her next to the pony. Let's open this one next. This is a Shopkins Season 2 5-pack. There's 4 here, and there's 1 surprises. Here's a quick look at the checklist again. We haven't got any limited edition one yet, so hopefully we get one this time. Let's go over these 4 Shopkins first. Here is a pink Promi. You wear this to the prom. That's why she's called Promi. I think we got this one before. Let's put it right here. This is Ice Cream Dream. Isn't it yummy? Again, I think we got this one before. Let's put it next to Promi. Here is Corny Cob. Do you guys like to eat corn? Put it behind here. And the last one is Leafy. I think this one is a toilet paper. That's why she's kind of sad. Don't use me. And now we're gonna check out our surprises. Let's see if we get an ultra rare or a limited edition. That would be cool. We got this one here. It's a rare, and it's part of the bakery section. Do you know the name of this one? If you do, let me know under the comment section. Let's put it next to all the other Shopkins. And our very last surprise is a Lalaloopsy Teenies. There's 24 you can collect. Here's the one that we got. It has an orange bow here. It looks like an owl. Do you guys like Lalaloopsy? If you do, let me know under the comment section so I can start getting more of these. Let's put it here next to all the Shopkins. That's all the surprises we have today. Out of all these, which one is your favorite? Let me know below so I can go buy more and open them in my future videos. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can check out more giant surprise egg by clicking on one of the links below. Also, if you would like me to keep you guys updated with all the new videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that every time I got a new video, you can see it right away. I'm Toy Scouter, and I'm out.